Right hand starts with 3 on C sharp. The left hand also starts with 3. To play harmonic minor, we raise the 7th note. That means you turn your B into a B sharp. Notice that the B sharp key is the C key. To play melodic minor, we need to change the fingering because of the layout of the sharps changes. So the right hand fingering needs to change. And we make the A an A sharp. So now we're going to put our 4th finger on the A sharp and then cross under here and then still end with 3. And then you can come down normally. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3. Sorry, that spacing isn't very good, but that's the idea. All right, so this is melodic. And natural coming down to. To play the chord progression, we use the harmonic minor form.